This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that is related to the fake Windows Defender Security Center alert. This fake alert quotes this fake Windows support number +1 620 230 5862. Once again, this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, and these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive, so you should not trust these fake messages. We recommend you to carefully examine your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and once it gets installed, start carefully researching your computer with its help in order to identify and delete other infections. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.